everyone, Happy New Year. I have been wanting to wish you guys and been wanting to make a few videos about a lot of things, but I just could not because of how busy the new year and the last of December had been for me. If you guys want to know more about it, you can check out my studio vlog about it. I did post like a month sort of vlog, actually, the last one that I posted. And while I finished everything up for 2025 and have been planning stuff on what to do in this new year, I've been thinking a lot, okay? So, what I've been thinking about is last year I made a lot of week vlog videos, and even though I have had so much fun making these, like the video you're watching right now, I am sort of feeling there as so I don't know how to put it in words, but I've been feeling like I have been too caught up in making week vlog videos. And because of that, I've not been really working much on creating the travel vlogs that I have made over the years. And there are quite a few from 2023, 2024, and now 2025 that I have never gotten to edit because I am always lost in this whole wheel of creating a vlog or creating videos for my reaction channel or creating videos for the music sort of channel or creating videos for my painting channel. So because of that, I've not been having enough time to create the travel vlogs that I've been dreaming of making. And there are a lot of films sort of videos that I've been dreaming of making. So I'm not sure what I really want to do this year. I've been reflecting on everything, and to be really honest, for the last, I don't know, since this new year started, everything is sort of mushed together. First, my artwork that was supposed to be finished in 2025 got dragged on until I don't know, 14th of January. And because of that, I feel like everything sort of started wrong. You know how you feel when you want, it's the first of a new month and a new year, you really want things to go a certain way, and nothing really went a certain way. And I had planned on making a video about what I read in 2025, but I don't know now. It's been we're way into 2026 now. I don't know if it's even necessary to make a specific video for that. And everything else, my painting sort of got messed up. I could not start working out. My house was under renovation, and because of that, my stuff was everywhere all at once. And the chaos in my physical space and not much peace in my mental space sort of created this void of nothingness in my mind. And all I could do was just try to finish the task at hand, that was my painting, and sort of set up my space for after the renovation stuff. So I don't know, I could not really create much videos. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm just thinking, do I even want to make just vlogs this year? I am rethinking everything, even for my other YouTube channels, because I have so many other things that I really want to do. And since YouTube is, I mean, I'm not going to leave, but since YouTube is sort of slow on its growth path for me, I don't know if I should be focusing this much on creating every week, you know what I mean? I because of that, I've been thinking, I was like sorting through all the data of videos that I've created over the years. And as I was looking back at the videos that I've made in these week vlogs, I'm thinking like, it's the same sort of thing that I'm doing every week. Is it even necessary to film it? And then when I look back on stuff like a month later or like a year later, then I think, okay, maybe it was necessary to film just for the memory's sake. So I don't know what to do. And also, like, I don't know. I'm just too confused. Would you guys help me figure out what I should be doing? Though, if I don't make the regular week vlogs, then I do have enough time to create all the films that I've been thinking of creating. That do obviously take some time, take much longer time to create, but I think they do hold more value. And in this day and age, I feel like I've done the quantity of work. I think I need to focus more on the quality of work that I'm putting out. So I'm not sure. I mean, I'm just thinking about it. This is such a real talk actually I'm having right now. And I don't know if I should be posting this or should I just be keeping it for myself. But I'm just thinking, okay. I really did not have a lot to like film in this video, so I thought maybe I should just like sit down and talk to you guys, and maybe I can even let you guys know how many books I read in 2025, because it's just pointless to create a specific video for that right now, I think so. I read, drumroll, 85 books in 2025, and I read mostly series, a lot of fantasy series. I read the Zodiac Academy. Then I also read this Cursed Legacies series. I read the Windy City series. I read like Love Light Farms. I read Daydreamer series and Romano Family series. I also read this Saint of Steel series. I am reading from my phone. So don't think I'm crazy looking down again and again. And I also read the Anna Huang, uh, what's this, Kings of Sin series. Like, I've not read the last one yet, but yeah, I did read quite a few series, and I read the Mindfuck series. I did enjoy it so much. I mean, these are a few series that I remember, but if you guys want to check out what all books I read and would want some sort of recommendations from the star rating that I gave and the reviews that I write sometimes, you guys can check out my Goodreads. It's in the link in the description. I mean, when you don't know what to do, like, the best course of action obviously is to put it on the internet and let other people decide and tell you, like, I think you should do this, and then obviously do whatever the hell I want to do, but okay. Uh, so that's it. If you guys did enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and also like and subscribe my other channels. I will put the links in the description.